20 seconds on the timer and I press start. Notice the leaderboard is 195 and we still get 9999999. And what's happening is we only have one score in this session, and there's only one element in the array, and so these ones didn't get overwritten, and so that could be tweaked, but I'll leave it right now. See, we get an argument out of range right now. Alright, I'll focus on that for the next video. But welcome back, guys. So in this video we're going to talk about the error that we found in the last leaderboard video. And so I just got us to the point where it's actually replicating the error that we see in the last video. You notice that the 9999 is still there. We got the high score, the first high score of the game is 65 points. And if you look at the error, index is less than 0 or more than or equal to the list count. All right. And so we're going to walk through that example real quick. So just to go through the code, for the most part, the code is pretty much the same. I just cleaned it up a little bit so that it's easier to read. But what is happening is, in this for loop right here, when I is set to 0, I is still technically greater than new session array count minus, and this is 5. The amount of high scores needed, if you go on the top of my class, it's 5. And so what's happening is, and if you look, let's go back to the Unity. If you look at the line where it's happening on line, where is it? Leaderboard Manager 56. So we look at Leaderboard Manager 56. This is the line of code here. It's a high score text array, new session array dot count minus 1. Sorry, not minus 1, minus I. Right, new session array dot count is equal to 5 because that's the size of the array after the first game. Because it's 5 minus 0, and so it's just, that's the first problem right there, is that there isn't a fifth text in that array. But if we also look at this too, this new session array 0 minus 1, this is where we also see, this is where we see the -1 is coming from, because this new session array, there isn't a -1 index in it, and so that explains this error message happening. And so the fix for that, like I noticed that this amount of high scores needed is 5. You just decrement it to 4, because like I said, we only need the four greatest numbers in our array. We don't need to count to 5. And so I'm just gonna save that, and then we're gonna head back to Unity. Start with leaderboard. I'm gonna press this button here. It just resets the score. This is a debug option for me. If I publish the game, it probably won't be in the final version. Press X, get rid of that. Let's start leaderboard. You see that it's all 0. All right, so I'm just gonna start a game. Just let that count. All right, 45. Press reset. Go to leaderboard. You notice 45,000. You notice that no error pops up on the right in the console, and the other values in the text that could used to say 99949 now is saying 0. And so that was the cause of that issue. Just have to change the amount of high scores needed. This is a new variable that it created, but you can just change it in the for loop as well. The new session array count, instead of -5, -4, and I'll clean that up. All right, I'll end this video right here. If you have any questions For comments, put it in the comment section below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.